This section of lung tissue is excellent for observing the smaller parts of the respiratory tree. The lungs that one normally sees after surgery or upon autopsy are more or less collapsed and gravely distorted from their patterns in life. To prevent this, steps were taken to avoid collapse of the smaller airways while preparing this tissue from a monkey. At this low magnification, I can point out to you sections through two adjacent, fairly large bronchi, because I can see cartilage in their wall. A much smaller bronchus is over here, with just a hint of cartilage. And then this smaller bronchus extends into a terminal bronchiole, a respiratory bronchiole, then an alveolar duct, and finally alveolar sacs. It is this region I will return to at a higher magnification to describe the histology of this region in more detail later. Pulmonary arteries are closely associated with the airway passages, and I'll also emphasise that later. Pulmonary veins, on the other hand, are on their own, out in the periphery and away from the airway passages. But before we revisit this section of lung tissue at a higher magnification, so I can verify why I identified these components as I just have, let us just understand the major histological features of this respiratory tree from first looking at a microanatomy model.